Shit. Come here.
Good girl, super. She threw her body into you. But try behind the fence, see if you can get some barking that way. She might be a better candidate for it. If she's pulling so hard, she's kind of choking herself off.
Hey! Hey! Wow!
Good girl.
Ooh. Keep my place in the house.
Once Cat was a boy. Pat. Once Cat was a boy. I said, what happened?
She's a girl. Last time I checked.
Is this wood? Pat, is this
I'm
wood?
videoing, so just wait.
Okay.